Hi students, this is KSR Sir Chemistry. Today we will discuss about organic named reactions. Those are useful in competitive exams like JEE Mains, NEET and IIT. So tricks వీటికి సంబంధించిన మనం ట్రిక్స్ చూద్దాం. ఈజీలీ రిమెంబర్డ్. ఓకే, tricks to easily remember top 20 named reactions. Okay, my dear students and friends, if you like the video, please subscribe the video and like and share and comment on the video to reach more people. Okay, thank you. Let's start our lesson. See students, first named reaction is Woods reaction. Already we know Woods reaction. In Woods reaction, reactants are alkyl halides. Treated with the sodium metal. Alkyl halide treated with the sodium metal. These reagents are మీరు ఈ రియేజెంట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్ అండ్ సోడియం మెటల్ in presence of dry ether. In presence of ether, okay, we get alkanes containing double number of carbon atoms. Containing double number of carbon atoms. See here, suppose if you take alkyl halide C2H5Cl, C2H5Cl means ethyl chloride, which is treated with the sodium metal. Here 2 moles of alkyl halide taken, another mole ClC2H5. What happens here? This part was removed in presence of dry ether. We get C2H5. This is called butane. Butane. Okay, this is called butane. So, in Woods reaction, even number of hydrocarbons can be prepared. The Woods reaction is carried out between similar alkyl halides, but in unsymmetrical alkanes cannot be prepared by using this method, because in mixture there is difficult to separate. Okay, so that's why in that case Frank-Land reaction is used. Frank-Land. In Frank-Land reaction, it is similar to Woods reaction. Frank-Land reaction is similar to Woods reaction, but here instead of sodium metal, zinc was used. Instead of sodium metal, zinc is used. That is the difference. By using Frank-Land reaction, both the symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkanes are prepared. Okay, observe. Student, next reactions, Wurtz fitting and fitting reactions. These are also similar to Wurtz reaction. Okay, in Wurtz reaction, both are alkyl halides taken, but in case of Wurtz fitting reaction, one is alkyl halide and another one is aryl halide. One is alkyl halide means CH3Cl, methyl chloride, plus aryl halide means if you take chlorobenzene. This mixture is treated with sodium metal, same reagents. In presence of ether, we get alkyl arenes. See here, plus 2 NaCl. This name is toluene. That is methylbenzene. In the same way, in fitting reaction, in Wurtz reaction మనం ఏం చేసాం, both are alkyl halides taken. Alkyl halides తో sodium metal తో heat చేసాం the presence of dry. Wurtz fitting లో ఏం చేసాం, one molecule is alkyl halide and another molecule is aryl halide. Both the mixture treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. But in case of fitting reaction, both are aryl halides. Okay, both are aryl halides. Aryl halides. Aryl halides means yellow arenes plus sodium metal in presence of ether, common. Conditions are same. This is taken 2 moles. Biphenyl is formed. Biphenyl is formed. This is called biphenyl. Okay. So these 4 reactions are easily remembered. Wurtz reaction, Franklin reaction, Wurtz fitting reaction, and fitting reactions. In all cases, reagents are same. But in case of Franklin, instead of sodium metal, zinc was used. But other 3, Wurtz reaction, Wurtz fitting and fitting reactions, sodium metal is used in presence of dry ether. Okay. Observe the conditions. See students, next reactions, Finkelstein reactions and Schwartz reactions. In both the cases, halogen exchange takes place. రెండిట్లో ఒకే విధంగా ఉంటుంది చూడండి. But in Finkelstein reactions, alkyl iodides are prepared to convenient method to preparation of alkyl iodides. But in Schwartz reaction, alkyl fluorides are to be prepared. Here, alkyl iodides. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మీరు. Alkyl iodides can be prepared. Here, alkyl fluorides. Reagents different. In Finkelstein reactions, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సిన ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఆల్కల్ క్లోరైడ్ కానీ ఆల్కల్ బ్రోమైడ్ కానీ తీసుకొని వాటిని సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ సోడియం అయోడైడ్ ఇన్ ఎస్టోన్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఆల్కైల్ అయోడైడ్ ఆర్ ఆల్కైల్ బ్రోమైడ్, సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ sodium iodide in acetone. Acetone is the solvent. if you get alkyl iodide plus NaCl or NaBr. This is alkyl iodide. So this method is convenient to prepare alkyl iodides. Here halogen exchange takes place. Halogen exchange. In Schwarz reaction, alkyl fluorides can be prepared. In Schwarz reaction, in the same way, alkyl chlorides, alkyl bromides, either alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides తీసుకొని వాటిని మెటాలిక్ ఫ్లోరైడ్స్తో ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి హాలోజన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ జరిగింది అనమాట. దే అండర్గో హాలోజన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్. See here, CH3Cl or CH3Br. So metallic fluorides means AgF like that. These are called metallic fluorides. These are called metallic fluorides. Here also halogen exchange takes place. Alkyl fluoride. So these two are, ఈ రెండింటిని మీరు ఏమైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, హాలోజన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కింద గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. బట్ రియేజెంట్స్ డిఫరెంట్. ఇన్ ఫింకిల్స్టైన్ రియాక్షన్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ సోడియం iodide in acetone is used. In Schwarz reaction metallic fluorides are used. That is the difference. Okay, easily remember. See students, next Reimer-Tiemann reaction and Kolb's reaction. These are the very important reactions in competitive exams. These are the phenol reactions. In Reimer-Tiemann, phenol means benzene ring contain OH group. This is called phenol. Is treated with chloroform CHCl3. Chloroform in presence of alkali, dilute alkali, that is NaOH. These are the conditions. Here we get O minus Na plus. That means here H plus removed, phenol having acidic nature, Na is replaced. And also CH2Cl2. This is the substituted benzyl chloride, intermediate. This is the intermediate compound. Intermediate substituted benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. This is also, దీన్ని కూడా మాకు ఎగ్జామ్లో అడుగుతారమ్మా, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాంపౌండ్ చెప్పమని. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, these are the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here electrophile is CCl2. ఇందులో మనకి మెకానిజం ఉంటుంది, అది నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో చేద్దాం. ప్రస్తుతానికి ఇవి చూసుకోండి. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ అడుగుతారు, CCl2. This is the free radical. Finally we got followed by hydrolysis. Final product is CHO group is introduced at ortho position. CHO group is introduced at ortho position. This is called orthohydroxybenzoylide. Orthohydroxybenzoylide. Its common name is salicylaldehyde. Okay. రియేజెంట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఫీనోల్, క్లోరోఫామ్, డైల్యూట్ ఆల్కలీ, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కాంపౌండ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటెడ్ బెంజాల్ క్లోరైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ అడుగుతారు, CCl2 ఫ్రీ రాడికల్. వచ్చే ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్థో హైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజోలేట్, దట్స్ కామన్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ సాలిసిలాల్డిహైడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కోల్బ్స్ రియాక్షన్. హియర్ ఆల్సో ఫీనాల్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్. ఫీనోల్ benzene ring contain OH group. It is treated with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Here O minus Na plus sodium phenoxide. This is called sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. It is more reactive than phenol. It undergo easily electrophilic substitution, followed by treating with CO2. Electrophilic substitution takes place. We get ఆర్థోహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజోయిక్. డిఫరెన్స్ గమనించండి దానికి దీనికి. ఇక్కడ ఆర్థోహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద COH గ్రూప్, హియర్ CHO గ్రూప్. ఓకే, అట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. This is called orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Its common name is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Okay. Reagents NaOH same, but some reagents are different. Here chloroform is used. Here CO2. Both are electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay. Next, observe students, Friedel caps alkylation and Friedel caps acetylation. Here, in Friedel caps alkylation, alkyl halide can be used. Alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3. AlCl3 means Lewis acid and carbon disulfide. These reactions, ఈ రియాక్షన్ మనకి బెంజిన్లో కూడా జరుగుతాయి. బట్ ఎనిసోల్ తీసుకుందాం ఇక్కడ. అనిసోల్ ఈజ్ మోర్ రియాక్టివ్ దెన్ బెంజిన్. అనిసోల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ బెంజిన్ రింగ్ కంటైనింగ్ OCH3, methoxy benzene. This common name is anisole plus alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3, carbon disulfide. We get OCH3 CH3. Para-methoxytoluene plus orthomethoxytoluene. This is called para-methoxytoluene. This is called orthomethoxytoluene. This is the major product. This is the minor product. In objective, which one is the major product, which one is the minor product అని అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. పారా కాంపౌండ్స్ అనేవి మేజర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉంటాయి, ఆర్థో కాంపౌండ్స్ మైనర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇన్ Friedel caps acetylation, in place of CH3Cl, CH3COCl, acetyl chloride. This is called acetyl chloride. Is used. Same reaction. We take anisole. Anisole means OCH3. Same reaction. Reagent same. Here para-methoxy acetophenone, orthomethoxy acetophenone. Paramethoxy acetoophenone. Here paramethoxy acetoophenone is the major product and orthomethoxy acetoophenone is the main product. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి మీరు రిమెంబర్ చేసి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, ఓకేనా?